In front of me is Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google. Hit Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password to add your password. Input all of those informations. And when you're ready to save them, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!